Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for being here to view what I got in my face box, BOXYCHARM box. Wasn't that sly of me, you guys? So sly, so fly. Anyways, so if you guys want to see what I got in this BOXYCHARM box, definitely keep on watching. I can tell you that I did have to email BOXYCHARM. I opened this last night. We will get into story time in just a moment, but if you have not already, click the thumbs up button. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And I also filmed another video today. I opened up my Confetti collection box. This really cute cup came in it, so stay tuned for that video. It'll probably come out after this one. But back to BOXYCHARM. We don't know her this month. Premium was fantastic. Base box, not so much. So if you guys are enjoying, again, thumbs it up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And let's go ahead and get on with the video. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and I'm gonna show you the products inside, and then when we get to it, we're gonna get to it and I'm gonna talk to you about my BOXYCHARM email. So let's get into it. Ba-bam, here is our card, and the theme this month is festival vibes. Obviously no festivals because, you know, coronavirus, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully I don't get demonetized for saying that really like in a weird way, because people that are talking about it are getting demonetized. Sensitive subject. Anyways, let's go ahead and start with the first products. Obviously on top, these are the Tony Moly sheet masks. This is actually I flopped. This is actually a really great brand, so I'm happy to have these. I have so many face masks right now that I don't need more, but I'm actually genuinely excited to try these Tony Moly ones out because they are really good. They sell it at Ulta, and I don't know if they sell it at Sephora, but also we don't know Sephora because, you know, they're not very nice. So yeah, so we have the I'm Hemp sheet mask. Shabam. We have I'm Lotus. Oh, this one is for calming. Illuminating, and I'm Cactus is for purifying. Super cute. I love the design of these. So shabang, shaboogie, goodbye. Okay, next up, here's the lavish brush set that I thought I was getting in the premium, and then it was the other brushes, but I'm still happy that I got these because obviously they're cute. So let's open them up, and I guess the brand is Lavish. And once I'm done telling you all of the products that are coming, I'm going to give you the prices of everything. So here are the brushes. They definitely give me ColourPop vibes. They look like they're like colorful liners. Hold on, let me show you. Do I have eyeliners or do I have eyeshadow brushes? You will never know because they look the same. Just kidding, but ColourPop liners. Okay, anyways, these are the brushes. So we have this one. This is something that you can use for like a lipstick palette. Nice and thin, so you can just like, you know, take it out of a palette, or you can use this to take a liquid shadow and draw whatever you need on your lid. Very nice precision brush. This is the fine liner. Yes, you can use it for eyeliner too, but I wouldn't personally. And then we have this little guy here. This is what I use, except for it's flatter. You mostly use these for eyebrows, but I use this for if I use eyeliner, I will dab it in the black and use that one because I like how flat it is and it's angled, or I'll take it, and that's how I do all of my lower lash line eyeshadow, is with a brush like this, and then obviously classic spoolie. And then you have this brush here, very soft, and this is the tapered blending brush. We have a eye shading brush, and we have a pencil brush. This is something I would use when I'm scared with like dark shadows, and I'll stamp it and then I'll blend it. So that's great for, you know, having this. I love brushes, welcome them with open arms, so it's nice to have more. Also, I am on my vanity right now, and you're still taped to a box because, you know, I broke my tripod. It still hasn't shipped yet, and we're kind of in an awkward situation right now, so you're in front of my window taped to a box. So that's the situation that I'm still dealing with. Next up, I have the Professional Pore Primer from Benefit. Now, here's the deal. I did not do very well with this primer in the past. My skin burnt, and it just didn't feel good. I was hoping for the illuminating one, so hopefully, you know, like, you know, it's different. I don't know if I'm going to try this and just see if it burns my skin. If not, get rid of it, or if I'm just gonna throw it up on my Poshmark. Let me know. Do you want to buy this or should I use it first? Like, I don't know. It's because, you know, you get those little samples from IPSY. You don't know how long things sit, and it could have just been the sample and not the actual product. You know what I'm saying? So let me know your opinion down below. Should I just give this a try, or should I just pass it on? Let me know. So I got the iconic London illuminator. So they had different variations. I didn't know if it was just gonna be dark or whatnot, because I only saw the dark one, but we have a light one. This is something that you can mix with like your moisturizer, your primer, or your foundation to give yourself a luminous glow. I'm actually really excited to try this out because I, you know, love it. Hold on, let me show you what I'm talking about. Do you see this Becca primer here? So that's kind of like what this is, except for you'll mix this with a primer already, like say this, and it will give you the effect of having this here. And that Becca primer is a little old, so I am happy to have this. So I know some people, I watched a few unboxings and you guys were complaining about how sheer it was. That's because it's not necessarily a liquid highlight. You're supposed to mix it and it'll kind of sheer out. Actually, this one's kind of a little dark. I don't know if that's gonna work for my skin tone or not, but it's very, very pretty. No, that'll work with my skin tone fine. It'll be fine because I'll put foundation over it. So very, very pretty. And then what's great also is that during the summer and you want to accentuate like your collarbones, if you aren't like chubby like me and you have collarbones that like show, you can like add it to your collarbone and have like a nice sheen to it. Also, I contoured my boobs today. You guys know how I was complaining about how, you know, I can't ever get my boobs to look good in a bra ever. Well, I bought this bra from Trisha Paytas on Poshmark. I'm wearing it today, and then I contoured my boobs and they look good, but it's just makeup. Totally fake. Totally fake. So I'm really excited about these. Now, my last product and where the complaint comes in. So here's the deal. I chose as my product a Zoeva palette. You get 1 of 10 Zoeva palettes. Well, I didn't get my choice item. I actually got this. I got the Elemis Superfood Psycho-Calm Cleansing Foam. Am I upset? Half and half. One, I know I did not need another eyeshadow palette. I just really wanted to try the Zoeva brand. I've never tried her eyeshadows, haven't tried anything. I know Tati Westbrook talks about them and she's tried the products and they were good, and I really wanted to try an eyeshadow palette. So very sad that I didn't get it. Am I going to use this? I think so. I love cleansers, so I'm going to definitely use this. But I think the only reason why I'm upset is because I didn't get my choice item. You guys know I had a whole entire rant about my IPSY choice item. That whole situation was so messed up. You would just have to watch the rant video, but it's like boring, so don't even bother. But that got me a lot of views. Insane. Wasn't expecting that, but a lot of people agreed with me, so thank God. But the thing is when you have a choice item, you should get your choice item. So I emailed them and I didn't like say I want my palette. I just told them, hey, I opened my box and I just wanted to let you know I didn't get my choice item. I got this instead of that. Just letting you know. I didn't want anything in return and nothing like that. I was just letting them know that I didn't get it. And they sent back that they didn't have a choice item in the system for me for the choice for that, but I did have it for the premium, and they said to check the website and see if your choice product is there. Well, ever since I did choice item, only item that showed up was my premium item, so maybe there was some kind of glitch. I'm not sure, but somebody had messaged me the other day and told me that they didn't get their choice item either, and they got, I think it was this instead of the palettes, and they also emailed BOXYCHARM, and I was like, oh, okay, because they weren't going to do anything about it. She wanted the palette, I guess, and so I was like, oh, go through your email and just show them where they sent you the email where it shows that you did get your choice product, because you know every time you choose your product it'll say congratulations, you're getting this or whatever it says. And I always screenshot every email. Whenever I do that, I'm a screenshotter, okay? Every time I get an email for a choice item, I screenshot. And you know what? I didn't do it this time. The one time I did not screenshot my emails, I didn't get one of my choice items, which is fine, so I was looking for my email and they always go to my junk mail. So unfortunately my junk mail like clears after so many days, and it happened to be like a few days earlier that email would have cleared. So I didn't have it on email because I just wanted them to know that there's something wrong with their system. That something, it's not that like one person was like messed up, like there had been something wrong. Because other people, I noticed on a few of the BOXYCHARM Facebook groups, that people who had my exact same variation, or had, instead of, I think it was this or the masks, got the eyeliners, they also picked the Zoeva palette and didn't get it. And we all basically had the exact same 5 items except for one. So if you were somebody that also chose something and didn't get your choice product, you got my same variation, let me know, because I saw several, like literally close to 10 people say the exact same thing. They didn't get their choice item, they got the exact same variation. Besides, I think it was the face masks and the eyeliners were like the only variant there. So I got BOXYCHARM variant 17, so that's the one I got. Let's go over the prices really quick and then end the video. So this set of lavish brushes retail for $29.99. You know, I don't believe that because for $29.99 right now, you can get the entire eye set from Morphe, the James Charles eye set, because I was gonna buy it, but I didn't want to support James Charles, so I didn't buy it. I bought like a ton of Jaclyn Hill ones because they were on sale. So absolutely not. No, ma'am. I don't know what you're thinking. This, however, is $32. I want to give it a smell really quick. Oh, it smells really, really good. Okay, I'm excited for that. Love cleansers. They're kind of like my thing. And then this iconic illuminator retails for $41. This I can see being expensive. I can see this being expensive for sure. Oh, and this Elemis, great brand. Love Elemis so much. This retails for $32 as well, which is insane. Insane, and it burns my skin. Insane. And then the last items were these Tony Moly face masks, and these retail for $9. So I don't know if this is as a set 3 for $9 or $9 each. Probably 3 for $9. Sheet masks are actually really expensive, especially from good brands. This is like a Korean brand, I think, but I've heard nothing but good things about them, and I know they have like really cute like chapsticks or something. Maybe I'm thinking about somebody else, but oh, look at this illuminator though, so pretty. You could also use it as a highlighter if you wanted to, but you're just gonna get a very nice and natural, like I sweat a little bit kind of sheen. Definitely use this to mix probably with your primer first. I probably wouldn't recommend mixing it with your foundation. Definitely mix this with your primer. Not your moisturizer, primer. Definitely primer, and then obviously you put your foundation over and you'll have that glow within underneath your foundation. So yeah, definitely use that for that. Or this could also be pretty like just on the eye. No, it wouldn't. Scratch that. Primer and this, mix it up. Just put some primer on your face, put this on your face, and then mix it up. It'll work wonders, trust me. Anyways, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed, then give it a thumbs up. This one was kind of a chatty video. If you guys like chatty videos, let me know. Or if you just want me to get straight to the point, let me know. But also, this is my channel, so don't get bossy. Don't get bossy. And go follow me on TikTok. I started doing some TikToks. They're really stupid. I don't know what I'm doing. But, you know, it's just another added, like, wave into my life that you can see me do things. Yeah, that is it. I also, like, did everything I used today, all the products I used to get this glamorous makeup look that you see right now. Also, this eyeshadow palette, I know I'm very chatty today. It's the quarantine, you guys. I am lonely, okay? Actually, my friend Chris, well, his name is Chris, but it starts with a K, and to not confuse his name with my boyfriend Chris, my son calls him K Chris, has been since he was like 2. He came over, so social distancing, whoops, but he came up for a little bit, and now I'm like, that's what friends are? Wow, now I just feel like talking. So hi guys, I used this. I'm lonely, maybe I should go on live and like spare you guys. You guys are probably clicked off, but I used this palette today. It's in my Shop My Stash. I have a Shop My Stash series, so go check that out. This is what I'm currently using. I'm so like bored. I'm so sorry because I'm bored in the house bored. Okay, that's it. I'm done. You guys, I'm done. I'm sorry. I don't want to waste your time anymore. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. Bye.